Okay, here's a problem that came across my desk. What is 3/4 plus 5/6? All right, so let's head straight into the prime factorization of the denominators. This one is 2 times 2. Maybe I should underscore those. I don't know if that helps or not. This one's 2 times 3. So for my LCD, which is the LCM of the D's, the least common multiple of the denominators is the least common denominator. I'm going to use every factor that occurs, the most number of times that it occurs for any one denominator. 2 2's or 1 2. 2 2's is the most. 0 3's or 1 3. 1 3 is the most. And those all multiply together to make 12. So my least common denominator is 12. So I'm going to convert 3/4 to 12ths. Right? What factor or factors does the LCD have that the original denominator does not? A 3. So I'm going to raise that by a factor of 3. 4 times 3 makes 12. And doing the same thing on top, 3 times 3 makes 9. Okay, make sure that's showing there a little bit better. And then let's see, what else do we have here? A 5/6. So let's bring that down here. And we're going to raise that to 12ths. What factor does the LCD have that the original denominator does not? Another 2, right? This has 2 2's and a 3. This just has a 2 and a 3. So we need to raise this by a factor of 2. Or in other words, 6 times 2 is 12. And so doing the same thing on top, 5 times 2 is 10. So these are my new LCD fractions. So now I can come back here and rewrite the whole addition expression. 3/4 I have raised to 9/12, and 5/6 I have raised to 10/12. Now we can just add across the top, and the denominator stays the same. And honestly, this is really the best answer for high school purposes. If your teacher wants you to convert it to a mixed number, you would just divide. 12 goes into 19. Let me just put kind of an or here. 12 goes into 19 one whole time with 7 left over, and the denominator stays the same. So the mixed number answer would be 1 7/12. If you have a math problem that you would like me to demonstrate, put it in the comments and I will. Hope that helps.